Very good morning, my dear students. I hope all are well. Now, the first unit revision. The very important questions, objectives of financial management. The list of following: profit maximization, wealth maximization, proper estimation of total financial requirement, proper mobilization, proper utilization of finance, maintaining proper cash flow, survival of companies, creating reserve, proper coordination, create goodwill, increase efficiency, financial discipline, reduce cost of capital, reduce operating risk, prepare capital structure. The main objective of financial management, first one, the profit maximization. The finance manager tries to earn maximum profit for a company in the short term and the long term. He cannot guarantee profit in the long term because of business uncertainties. However, a company had earned maximum profit given in the long term. The next, wealth maximization. The wealth maximization or shareholders value maximization is also a main objective of financial management. Wealth maximization means to earn maximum wealth for the shareholder. So the financial manager tried to give a maximum dividend to the shareholder. He also tries to increase the market value of the shares. The market value of the share directly related to the performance of the company. The next one, proper estimation of total financial requirement. Proper estimation of total financial requirement is very important objective of financial management. The financial manager must estimate the total financial requirement of the company. He must find out how much finance is required to start the run of the company. He must find out the fixed capital and working capital requirement of the company. His estimation must be correct. The next one, proper mobilization. Mobilization of finance as an important objective of financial management. After estimating the financial requirement, the financial manager must decide about the sources of finance. He can collect finance from many sources such as shares, debentures, bank loan, etc. Proper utilization of finance. Proper utilization of finance is an important objective of financial management. The finance manager must make optimum utilization of finance. He must use the finance profitably. He must not waste the finance of the company. He must not invest of the company finance unprofitable project. He must save a short credit period. The next one, maintain the proper cash flow. The company must have a proper cash flow to buy the day-to-day expenses such as purchase of raw material, payment of wages and salary, rent, electricity bills, etc. Survival of companies. Survival of companies must serve in this competitive business world. The finance manager must be very careful while making financial decisions. One wrong decision can make a company sick and it will be closed down. The next one, create reserve. One of the objectives is very important. The company must not distribute the full profit as a dividend to the shareholder. It must keep a part of profit reserve. reserve can be used for future growth and expansion. It can also be used to face in the future. Proper coordination. The financial manager must, must try to have proper coordination between the finance department and other department of the companies. Then predict goodwill. Create goodwill. It must important the image of reputation of the company. Good will help the company to serve in the shareholder and success the long term. It is also company during the bad time. Next, increase the efficiency. The financial manager also tries to increase the efficiency of the department of the company. Proper distribution of finance to all the department will increase the efficiency to enter the company. The financial discipline. The financial tries to create financial discipline. The financial discipline means to invest finance only in productive area to avoid wastage and misuse of the finance. Then reduce of cost of capital. That is, it tries to borrow money at low rate of interest. The financial manager must plan the capital structure way of the cost of capital minimized. Reduce operating risk. The financial manager must take steps to reduce the risk. He must avoid high risk projects. He must take the proper insurance. The last one, prepare the capital structure. Financial management also prepare the capital structure. It is decided to the ratio between own the fund and borrowed finance. It brings proper balance between the different sources of capital. The balance necessary for liquidity, economic flexibility and stability. The next one, another one part, financial management, the decision. The decision means the concern of financial decision is with the financial mix or capital structure. The term capital structure refers to the proportion of debt and equity. There is a structure. Financial decision of the concern, the liability stakeholder just in the finance forms of balance sheet. It can be defined as a judgment concern the method of rate of funds. Okay. The next one, the decision, the investment decision. One of the most important financial function, intelligence allocate capital long-term assets. This activity is also known as capital budgeting. It is an important allocator of those long run the assets as to get maximum yield in future. The financial decision. The financial decision is yet another important function which a financial manager must perform. It is important to make wise the decision about when, where, and how should a business acquire the funds. The funds can be acquired through many way and channels. And speaking a correct ratio and equity and debt has to maintain the mix of equity capital and debt is known as the firm capital structure. A firm tends to benefit most of market value of company share, maximize not only funds and the growth for firm but also maximize the shareholder wealth. It may increase the return of equity funds. A sound financial structure is set to be on which aim maximum shareholders return capital with the minimum risk. Dividend decision. Earning profit or positive return of common aim of all business of the key function of financial manager in the form of case of profitability is to decide whether you distribute or profit the shareholder or retain the profit of distribute the profit the shareholders and retain other half of the business. The financial manager has a responsibility to decide the optimum dividend policy which maximize the market